Good morning, Advanced Placement students. It's Dr. Kokenauer here. I'm going to explain to you where you can find your app for taking the AP exams on your Methacton issued Chromebook. A couple of things before we start to watch the video. You are going to need to know your College Board password and username. That's going to be important for the sign-in process. And then we're going to work through each step where you go to log in, where you're going to find these exams, and then how to exit the exam. This video will be available to you so you can view it over and over and over again as much as you like. And we're going to start by what I wanted to share with you is that you need to actually make sure you are logged out of your Chromebook. So when you first go to access this, you're going to completely log out, and then you're going to open your Chromebook. Before you even get to the login screen, so you're not even going to log into your Chromebook, you're going to see the login, but you're not going to log in. In the bottom left hand corner of your computer, there's an area for apps, and that's pretty much where our video begins. So again, the first things that you're going to do are get out, log off of your Chromebook, open it back up again, and stop. And then this video kind of picks up from there. So you'll see on your screen that there's on the bottom left hand side, there's apps. You're going to click on the 2021 Digital AP Exam app, and then that will load onto your computer. You're going to sign in using your College Board username and password. You then accept the terms and conditions. These are from College Board. Hit next. That will take you to where you're going to find your exams and practice exams. Your exams won't be there until a few days before. You're going to hit sign out at the top right hand corner. And signing out is a little bit unique. Again, there are the directions for how to exit this app. Once you go through that process, you are signed out. So every time that you want to access a practice exam, you'll go through that process where you will, before you log in, you'll go to the apps section, hit the 2021 Digital AP Exam apps, and then you can get into where you'll find your practice exams. That's also, again, several days before your exam. Your exam will populate there that you have chosen, and it will allow you to do the exam setup that is required, again, to happen several days before each of your AP exams. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great day.